what is going on? She's gone. Obviously, this is a disclaimer. Everybody already knows this, but this is really just so nobody can like comment in the comment section. Genetics play a big role, okay? But they don't play every role. I tell everybody that. Just because people have really good genetics doesn't mean squats, okay? It means a lot, but it doesn't mean it all. Let's get into this. This point isn't stressed nearly as much as it needs to be. Consistency will save your life, alright? So, if you know that you want to cut your hair off and have a beautiful curly fro for the summer, if that's you, have an idea of like what your regimen is going to look like for you. That consists of time. A lot of times people don't know how long it takes for a natural hair regimen. Okay, just keep that in mind, like how much time you're willing to spend on it, which will also help you choose what products you need. A lot of products are like 2-in-1 now in the natural hair community, so whatever you pick, stay consistent with it. So what I'm saying is, when you pick your shampoo and it works and you know it works and you're like, wow, my hair feels clean but not stripped, when you have that moment, stick with it. Well, let me go try something else. No, don't do that. Don't do that for the first like 6-7 months. That is my first point. My second tip, trim when you need. I was like taking like little bits. Like I knew I should cut up here, but because I wanted my length, I was like, girl, I need this leg. I would go like down an inch and cut it. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. I stopped doing that about the first month and I saw like significant change. Aphrogy 2-step protein treatment. Wow, okay. Yes, this. Use this month after month depending on your hair. And also, don't be fooled. Protein sensitivity is not subject to the number. It's not subject to 4C, 4-3, whatever. It's not subject to any of that. Make sure you know your hair. And the way you can figure out if your hair is protein sensitive is based off of the porosity. I find that those two usually go hand in hand. High porosity usually has a way lower protein sensitivity, and low porosity usually has a higher protein sensitivity. So figure that out, kind of find where you are in that spectrum, and then work from there. My third tip, do styles that you like. Oh my gosh, like braids. I did braids like all the time and I loved that. It was perfect for me because the summer, bro, like it's hot. If you don't like braids and you're like, girl, I do not like braids, do wigs. I also got into wigs in like November when it started to get cold. You can do a bunch of stuff. You can do sew-ins. You can do like, the natural hair community is endless with ideas when you want to execute that. My next tip, I don't know, what are we on, 4, 5, 4. Patience. Be patient. I hated this tip. It's hard, I'm not gonna lie, it's hard. But when you're protective styling, you're not even really worried about your hair because you can't see it. So if you have a little hard time being patient, protective style immediately. Okay, next tip. This is 5. My fifth tip is get a growth oil. I used growth oil for about, I want to say like 8 months consistently, like every week, week in, week out. I really am not consistent with that as much, not nearly as much as the beginning, but I was consistent for a good 8 months. Those two together, like deep conditioning is great, growth oil is great, but using those two together is like, it's magic. It really is. It's like potion. I believe that's all the tips. I'm gonna name off some products that I've been using recently and that I used at the beginning of my journey because I do believe that these products absolutely helped. First off is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. The shampoo, the conditioner, and the mask for sure. Everything else is like not that important. Styling products, I literally can't even breathe when I say Naughty Hair Care leave-in conditioner. Let me get it. Let me just get it. This UK Dream, it's at Ulta, and you can also buy it online. But I literally love this. I had to go back and buy more because the consistency of it, the smell of it, like it's untouchable. It's a goat. Twisting souffle with the gold cap. Smells really good. It has that like black girl smell. If you remember Pink, like the pink lotion bottle and like the brown gel before Eco Styler was a thing. This it kind of has those types of scents in there, like the staple black girl knocker bead type of smell. So it does bring me back to Black Girl Magic. Use this product, this one product for this look actually, and it's been like a couple of days, like I want to say like 3 days. The last two styling products is the Curls Creme Brulee. It smells like cake, Honestly, like if cake batter, this is it. Super moisturizing, love this. This is just other alternatives. And the last product is, this thing is amazing. I love pairing this and the Naughty hair care together. They do wonders. I also like pairing the Curls Creme Brulee with this. This one smells really good. It smells like a straight island. Like, it does. It smells really good. It smells like Polynesian happiness. I'm done with myself. Okay. Watery, creamy type of consistency is just amazing. And it's super cheap, bro. Like, this is out in Walmart for like $6 or $7, like for all of this. And like a Shea Moisture container that's this big is like $14, $13. So I can buy 2 of these for the price of 1. So that is all. Those are my tips, the products that I've been using. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been a long time. I'd rather wait 12 years and like release something that's like amazing than like post every single week and everything be like mediocre. So yeah, that's just something about me. So that's why I've been like MIA. Thank you guys. Bye. Okay, I gotta go.
Icon living. I am just an icon living. Superpowers, but that's something only